Well, to be quite honest, new and better ways of working usually come from up above in the magistrates' courts. But there was an instance, there's been several instances, but a certain instance to do with legal aid processing. Now, our court manager brought it to my attention and the head of admin's attention that we weren't hitting our targets. So we needed to discover why. We had a meeting, and obviously we did have one person that dealt with the whole of that normally within admin. She obviously had cover when she went on leave or anything like that. Anyway, we decided that we should shadow her to see why it was that we weren't hitting our targets. So I had to do that. Unfortunately, she had a bit of an odour problem, so I also told her the virtues of using a deodorant. Anyway, when I did sit next to her, I realised that one of the reasons we didn't hit the targets is because she wasn't processing the applications straight away. We were supposed to do the processing, 90% of it in the first day, 95% of it by the second day, and 100% of it by the third day. But because she also had to take queries at the counter, sort of emails, and do phone calls and all sorts of other things as well, she left things till the next day to actually deal with the applications. They also came in the court, you see. They came in the post, and so she was getting a bit befuddled by the whole thing. So what we did is we gave her a bit of help, and we gave her some protected time as well. So instead of having to deal with all the queries at the public counter or on the phone or emails, etc., what we did is we put up a poster at the public counter and also in the solicitor's robing room. It's hard to say that. And on the actual piece of paper that we put up there, we said that if you had any queries to do with legal aid applications and processing, please could you call between 1 and 4? Because then she had protected time, you see, in the morning to get on with the applications. So it all worked rather well. And also, she started using deodorant, and the place became a much better working environment.